Hey guys, it's me Ranabet and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is August 28. So ayan guys, as you can see, maulan kasi may bagyo ngayon. So I'm back in vlogging guys. So for today's video, sasamahan niyo ako kasi pupunta tayo sa aming boutique store. So as you can see, I'm making my coffee cause coffee is life. So, ayan guys, update. Nakaligo niya ako niyan. So, now I'm doing my makeup. So, simple lang yan guys. Eyebrow, mascara, and lipstick lang. So, ayan guys. And quick transition, dumating na tayo sa store. Ayan pala yung boutique store namin guys. So, ino-open ko na kasi wala pa si Ate Ina nun guys. So, yung door lang muna na small yung ino-open ko. So, later on, ipa-flash ko sa screen yung mga landmark kung saan pwede nyong tandaan guys pag pumasok kayo sa or pupunta kayo sa boutique store namin. So, hey guys, update. Dito na ako sa shop. So, later on, i-video ko lahat yan. So, now is, hindi ako maka-open guys kasi itong door na to is super laki siya. Unlike sa ibang stall dito na maliliit. So, kaya nila. Ito kasi is, ang lapad niya guys. Ayan, as you can see, ito na to. And then hanggang dun. So, kailangan yan is 2 tao magbubukas. So, hihintayin ko na lang si Ate Ina guys. Kasi, malapit naman na yun. So, yan. Magulo pa kasi. Ayun yung mga ano natin. So, later guys, i-update ko ulit kayo pag nakabukas na kami. So, ayun guys, as you can see, nakapag-open na kami. So, quick trivia lang guys. Rent My Closet can offer the following. So, may mga pre-love kami dyan. Ayan. And meron din kaming brand new. And also, we are available for rent in any occasion guys. May pang kids kami, adult, pang moms. Lahat ng occasion available guys. We have also a stuffed toy, accessories, bags. Basta guys, sari-sari siya. So as you can see sa video, pineflex ko yung mga product. So, ayan guys, another video of flexing our items. So, meron kami dyang mga dresses, long gowns na pwedeng pang event, birthdays, photoshoot. Comes din to guys sa different sizes. So, mapa-small ka man or large, meron kaming available guys. So, ayan yung mga sample na itsura. So, yan, meron din kami mga glittery na dress for glitz and glamour theme. May mga white kami for civil wedding. Ayan, guys. Then, we also have a shoes na pwedeng bilhin and pwede ding i-rent. Also, available din kami ng mga clutch bags na pwede nyo i-partner sa OTG nyo. Ayan, accessories. Ito guys, new arrival to, mga kids na dresses. So, ayan, super duper daming choices guys. So, visit na us. So, ayan guys, ito pala yung OOTD ko kanina. So, hindi ko na sa inyo na-flex kasi na-busy na. Hindi ko nga din na-end yung vlog na to guys kasi super duper lakas ng ulan. So, ayan guys, Rent My Closet also have a Facebook page wherein you can follow and also you can visit us on our physical store located at Kalibo Public Market Salon area guys. So, beside Mimi Barbershop and Gumban Beauty Parlor. So, looking forward guys na makabisit kayo.